What's going on, my friend? This is Ngwani from NeoTuts, and today I'm going to show you how you can use Instagram on your PC without downloading much complicated software, but just using your browser and the Chrome extension, right? And this is a way that you can use Instagram to DM and to actually do pretty much what you can do on your mobile phone, but using a PC. So this is how you go about it. First of all, you need to go to the Chrome web store, and to go there, I'll put a link in the description. So when you're here, just search for Instagram desktop. I'm gonna tap. Press enter and click on more. Right, go down, and actually get this one that says web for Instagram. It works very perfect with me, right? So say add extension. So when the extension has been added, you see that if you have been logged in your Instagram account, you will see that it will just open up like a mobile phone simulator there, and you can do pretty much everything that you can do on your mobile phone. You can upload pictures, you can even apply filters on these pictures, right? And you can pretty much, do the DMs and so forth. You can do the DMs, you can do the everything that you can do on a mobile phone, you can actually be able to do with this mobile simulator. So that is it, guys. This is how you can use Instagram on your PC, and it's pretty simple and straightforward. If you like this video, put a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Neo, I'm out.